Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, we are going home now. Today I finished at 2 o'clock and start at 6 o'clock. Rafael also did breakfast today, but yeah, he is still there because he need to finish something. Yeah, because I always do my things very fast. Oh, look at this, there are so many mushrooms in here. Yeah, look at this. I don't know, but when I was in the Philippines, when I was very young, I've never seen any kind of mushroom like this. Yeah, this kind of mushroom, or even the mushroom that I am seeing in the restaurant, that we are using in the restaurant, I've never seen mushroom like that. The mushroom that I know are those mushroom that similar to the ears. Yeah, that is attaching to the like rotten wood, rotten trees, those kind of mushroom only. It was just when I went to Dubai, that's when I learned so many mushrooms. Oh, there's one guy, he is having his lunch, pizza. During my break time, I received a message coming from Amazon. It says that my tripod is coming today, will be delivered today. Oh, there's no one in here today. Why? And we're not going to do pull-ups, chin-ups. I am lazy. Good afternoon. Going home now. And this is how it is at the moment here. Oh, many people in there still. It is high tide, but the water is really looking calm. And it's all that matter now. I'm drifting on along the sea, holding on to memory. We are now here in the town center, but we are going to have a look first in the marina. This is how it is here at the moment. Not busy, very quiet actually looking at it. I am not going to check if the money is still there. Yeah, but yeah, yesterday I checked if it is still there. I don't know if it is still there. I'm not going to check. I will just pretending or assume that someone took it already. And this is how it is at the moment. Very calm, good looking, and many people in there in the beach, sunbathing, swimming, just relaxing. And some people on that kind of boat, not a yacht, it just looks like a boat. When the water is very calm, you're going to see what is under there. Yeah, but when it is wavy, you notice that it's clean, but yeah, you don't see the underwater. Okay, we're going back now. We are actually going to the grocery today. We're going to buy something, I don't know yet. So there's one bird in there. I was passing through and look what it, yeah, not good. Okay, we're going inside the grocery. We're going to buy something, I don't know yet. If you notice, I don't have my backpack there. I mean my bike bag in there because it's here. Oh, tomato is not too expensive today. Look at that, it's cheap. We're just going to take one bunch. It's 5 pieces. We are also going to take one of this onion. This is just $2.50. Yeah, it's a lot. It's 1 kg. Oh, today this is discounted. Just $1.12. Regular price is $2.25. Yeah, so we're going to take two. This pine coconut. Pine coconut. Pine coconut. Ano? I thought it's just pineapple. Okay, we're going to take this one. This $2.25. Oh, actually there is one home brand here. $1.85. So we take this one. No added sugar. So this one is good. I'm going to take one of these ready to eat meal. This is just 90 cents. Because I'm really hungry. So when I get home, I'll just put this in hot water and we'll be ready to eat. Take two of these. But I don't understand any words in here. Okay, this is now 3:26 and I'm going to prepare my meal. Oh no, it's spicy. I didn't notice. Yeah, there's a lot of chili. I didn't notice that this is spicy because you don't see English letters in here. Yeah, it's my mistake, but I just eat it with a lot of rice so that I don't really taste the spiciness. Yo, good afternoon guys. We are going home now. Today I finished at 2 o'clock. Yeah, we are not very busy, just right. We did 154, only that much. It is windy this time. Oh, look at this mushroom, they are getting big and bigger. Cause your love just keeps on healing me. Yo, we are now waiting for our bacon and egg roll. Yeah, maybe 5-10 minutes of waiting. Not very busy this time. I already got my Sprite. Oh, look at this. They put this wooden thing for the shower. Nice. We are still not going to do pull-ups, chin-up in there, because I'm lazy. This bacon and egg roll doesn't have any chips. This is just the sandwich, just the bacon and egg roll, no chips. I just repeat it. Okay, we're going to stay here for a little bit. This is where we are going to eat this bacon and egg roll. For me, bacon and egg roll, this is the cheapest but most satisfying meal for me. I mean, I will prepare this compared to burger. I like this more than burger. That's it. We go. No sacrifice. After you go, I've got impossible my breathing. After you go. We are going home now. I'm lazy to go to the marina Look at that so big bird, blackbird. Yo, it's already almost 5:30. I just had my coffee and a brownie, but I'm going to eat rice. It's already hot, but I still have nothing else. I'm going to cook this one. Sardines, 555. Oh, this sardines is coming from Emil and Rafael and Carmel. Yeah, Emil and Carmel, they are my housemate in Sydney. And Rafael, of course, is my colleague. We are working together in the same restaurant. And he stayed here before. They're going to put this is the last one, rice noodles. I'm not going to put everything. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 pieces of fish. Amazing. This will be looking good if you add some green color, maybe spinach or yeah, any green vegetable. The time now is 15 minutes to 6 o'clock, and we'll be watching the news later on. Outside is very windy. Yeah, it's coming inside and it feels so good.